Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install ChatGPT on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. We'll be using Microsoft Edge to do this, and it's a really straightforward process. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once you're in Edge, go to the ChatGPT website by typing in the URL or searching for it in your preferred search engine. After you've logged into your ChatGPT account, you'll see your usual ChatGPT interface with your conversations listed on the left side of the screen. Now, what we're going to do is install this site as an app on your computer. To do that, move your mouse to the top right corner of Microsoft Edge. You'll see three dots, also known as the ellipses, right next to your profile picture. Click on these three dots to open a drop-down menu. In the menu, scroll down until you see the option labelled Apps. Hover over it and you'll see another menu appear with the option Install this site as an app. Click on that. A dialog box will pop up, asking you to name the app. By default, it will suggest ChatGPT, and I recommend keeping it as that to make it easy to find later. Once you've named it, click on the Install button. After you click Install, ChatGPT will open in its own window, separate from your browser. You'll notice that in the top left corner of this new window, the app is named ChatGPT. You'll also see the ChatGPT icon added to your taskbar at the bottom of your screen, indicating that it's installed as an app. Now, you have a few options for how you want to access ChatGPT in the future. You can choose to pin it to your taskbar or your Start menu for quick access. You can also create a desktop shortcut or even set it to auto-start when you turn on your computer. I recommend pinning it to the taskbar and Start menu, which makes it very easy to launch ChatGPT whenever you need it. Once you've selected your preferred options, go ahead and click Allow. You can now start using ChatGPT directly from this app window, just like you would in your browser. You'll see that ChatGPT now functions as a standalone app on your computer. If you look at the taskbar, you'll see the ChatGPT icon there, ready for you to click on whenever you want to use it. If you want to unpin it from the taskbar at any time, simply right-click on the icon and select Unpin. If you open your Start menu, you'll also see that ChatGPT is listed under your apps. You can scroll down to find it if you prefer accessing it this way. If you ever decide that you no longer need the ChatGPT app, uninstalling it is simple. Just go to your Start menu, find ChatGPT in the list of apps, right-click on it, and then select Uninstall. This will remove the app from your system, and that's it. You've successfully installed ChatGPT on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. If this video helped you out, make sure to join the Show Me Software free newsletter. It's linked in the description below. In this newsletter, I will tell you about the latest software tools and AI that can make you more productive at work and also improve your personal life in many different ways. You can also reply to these emails with any technical support questions you might have, and I'll do my best to help you out for free. This newsletter is completely free and will always be free. So click the link in the description to sign up.